Hello students, now we are doing the operation on a lathe machine. So you can see that there is a workshop assistant. He will show the how to hold the workpiece in the chuck. This is a chuck key, and with our chuck key we fit the job in a chuck. Okay, so this is the hold the workpiece in a chuck. You can see here, and now we are throwing this job, centering the job. So this is the centering of the job, and sir we show the first is a facing operation. Okay, this is a Sonavne sir. He will show the how to do the facing operation. You can see that with help of wheel, small wheel, and without tool post we do the centering of facing operation. Tool move towards the center of the workpiece and to move perpendicular to the lathe axis. We can see that lathe axis is a horizontal and your tool axis is a y axis. So tool move perpendicular to the lathe axis. You can see here. So this is a facing operation. We make flat surface, flat face of the workpiece. Okay, so this is a facing operation. Okay, we make the accurate length as per drawing. We make the accurate length as per drawing, and the unwanted material is removed by this facing operation. You can see here, with help of wheel we do the facing operation. This is the chips. Chips is a continuous form. Ribbon type chips is formed. Okay, and tool should be moved towards the center of the workpiece. Okay, so this is the complete the facing operation. Our job length should be 100 mm and we get raw material of 105 mm. So with help of vernier caliper we marks this 100 mm length. Okay, so 5 mm is the excess material which is removed by this facing operation. Okay, so first we keep distance in a vernier caliper 100 mm and place vernier caliper like this and mark the 100 mm on the workpiece. Okay, so and this unwanted part is removed by this facing operation. Okay, first we turn the first side, and with reference of first side we mark the second side, and 100 after marking the 100 mm with help of vernier and chalk, the extra material is removed by the facing operation by facing the other end of the workpiece. Okay, so now we hold the workpiece like the other end with the mark side with the chalk. Okay, and with help of cutting tool we remove the excess material. This is 5 mm excess material is removed by this facing operation. Okay, so our job requirement is 100 mm and we get material of 105 mm. So 5 mm material is removed by the facing operation. We make the accurate length of 100 mm by removing the 5 mm excess material by the facing operation. So basically facing operation is done for the making accurate length. Okay, so with facing operation we reduce the length of the workpiece. So sir we show how to remove the excess material with help of facing operation. Okay, so with this facing operation we will reduce the length, will make accurate 100 mm as per drawing. Now we do the plane turning operation. For plane turning operation the job length should be keep more than half of the workpiece length. Okay, so you can see here the length of the workpiece is length of the workpiece is keep more than half distance. Okay, then you can see that we do the plane turning operation. In plane turning operation, tool move parallel to the lathe axis. Okay, so in this raw material give the 35 mm diameter, we have to do 34 mm. So 1 mm material is removed by the turning operation. You can check here, diameter is 35, you have to make 34. We have to make 34 mm diameter. So for this 1 mm material is removed by the turning operation. This is a plane turning. In the plane turning, tool is moved parallel to the lathe axis. You can see that tool is moved parallel to the lathe axis from right to left. Okay, and with help of this hand wheel. Okay, with help of this hand wheel, this tool move parallel to the lathe axis. Okay, you can see here, tool move parallel to the lathe axis, and we remove the excess material. So in a turning operation, we make the true diameter as per drawing. Okay, so we make the accurate diameter in a turning operation. You can see here, this is a turning operation, and excess material is removed from the raw material. We make the accurate diameter with help of turning operation. Sheets are formed. And feed is given by the hand. This is a continuous feeding. You can see here, it's a continuous feeding. So in that way we complete the plane turning operation.